Primebook 4G laptop with Android 11 introduced at under 20,000 rupees. With an aim to make laptops more accessible to students for better e-learning opportunities, Primebook, a company that recently got funded by Shark Tank Season 2, has introduced the affordable Primebook 4G laptop in India. Check out the price, features, and more details below. Primebook 4G, specification and features. The Primebook 4G is easy to carry and weighs 1.2 kg. It features an 11.6-inch LCD IPS display with an HD screen resolution. It is powered by the MediaTek Compagno 500 Montana 8788 chip, coupled with 4 GB of RAM and up to 128 GB of storage. The storage can be expanded by up to 200 GB via a micro SD card. It runs Prime OS based on Android 11, which provides access to over 10,000 Android apps via the Prime Store and has been customized to work well with hundreds of educational and e-learning apps. The connectivity options include 4G SIM support, Wi-Fi 802.11b per gram, N, AC, Bluetooth version 5.0, 2 USB 2.0 ports, a 3.5mm audio jack, and mini HDMI. There's a 4000 mAh battery on board, which can last up to 10 hours on a single charge. The Primebook 4G laptop features a 2-megapixels camera, an MDM, mobile device management, feature to enable parental controls, app blocking, usage restrictions, accessing browsing history, and more, so that children don't access anything harmful, and a customizable keyboard and touchpad. Price and availability. The Primebook 4G is priced at 16,990 rupees but can be bought at 14,990 rupees via Flipkart. There's a 4 GB plus 128 GB Model 2, which retails at 18,990 rupees. The laptop competes with the recently introduced GeoBook 4G, which also falls under 20,000 rupees. The sale starts on March 11th. Users can also grab other offers worth 12,000 rupees and the option to avail of no-cost ME for up to 24 months. So, are you interested in the new affordable laptop? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.